Are you in need of converting your MSG file into PDF? Introducing SysTools MSG to PDF Converter. Best tool to convert multiple Outlook message files to PDF format. Key features of the software. Export emails, contacts, calendars, tasks, notes, and journals from MSG files. Software provides multiple preview modes to view MSG file data into Software Panel. MSG to PDF Converter tool provides date range filter and page layout settings. MSG to PDF Converter tool maintains folder structure during the conversion process. Go to Google and search SysTools MSG to PDF Converter. Click on the link shown on your system screen. Then click on the Download button. Now install and run the software. The first window will appear of the software. Explore the folders from the left side pane of the software window and navigate to the location where you have saved your MSG files. Select the folder which contains the MSG files. Once you select the folder, the emails will be visible in the right side of the software pane. The tool provides various preview options to analyze your emails like Normal Mail View, Hex View, Properties, Message Header, MIME View, HTML, RTF, and Attachments. Default view option will be Normal Mail View. If you want to export selected emails, then select the emails and click on the Export Selected option. If you want to export all emails, then click on the Export option. A window will appear. Here you will see multiple export options. We are converting into PDF format. Select the PDF radio button, and click on Advanced Settings option. In General Settings option, you can select the naming convention for the resulting converted files. Categories option provides the user to export specific component of the MSG file such as mails, contacts, calendars, etc. Date filter option can be applied for the range-based conversion of MSG files to PDF. You can include Internet Message Header by clicking on checkbox. In Page Layout menu, you can add PDF page margin, paper orientation in landscape or portrait. Page sizes letter A4 and A3. Apply header text and footer text. You can apply font size, font color and font type. Under the attachment settings, multiple options are available, like attachment on pin, append attachment and save attachment. Now comes the Bates number option. This feature allows users to specify the Bates series for file in PDF according to the starting number and position. Date stamp option allows users to specify the date in PDF according to the position. After completing the settings, click on Save button to save the settings. Click on Browse button to select a destination location for the resultant PDF file. Choose if you wish to create a single PDF file for each folder containing MSG files and click on the Export. After completing the export process completed successfully pops up. Click on OK. Export progress status will now be displayed on the screen. You can directly access the result file by clicking on the location. And you will see exported PDF files. And that's it. Log on to the given product page for more detail in purchasing the product. For any queries, mail us to support@systoolsgroup.com. Thank you for watching.